Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And as they normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates. We don't come back with legit information we like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the former presidential candidate of the African Action Congress will be Omoyele Sowore. Even I don't come outside, they describe the current coalition talks as hollow, lacking ideological substance and purpose. And these remarks, so these comments made by Oga Omoyele Sowore, it come in the middle of the growing political realignment as various actors now they position themselves for the next presidential race. And no be lie, my good people. The 2023 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, that is Atiku Abubakar, and the former governor of Kaduna State, to be Nasir El-Rufai, them now don dey lead the opposing front. But however, Oga Omoyele Sowore will be the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress for the 2023 general elections. Even I don come outside the yarn during interviewing get with Tori people, and for this interview, so in they warn the general public, in they warn Nigerians, say the current coalition efforts they lack vision and ideology, and this coalition will only strengthening our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's bid for re-election rather than to challenge it. Oga Omoyele Sowore now dey yarn say make country people stop to dey rely on political elites. E get why, and the reason be say relying on political elites get the potential, e get the capability now to make the situation worse. Oga Omoyele Sowore now dey draw ear, dey sama warning, dey give countrymen dem say if they are distracted by this current coalition talks, things fit worse for inside the year 2027 o. And that time no going back. According to how Oga Omoyele Sowore tell Yana for inside the interview, he said it is what the coalition are doing that will make it easy for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to rerun and return to office. They are preventing the organic coalition of the oppressed from emerging. People are getting distracted. Nigerians, they actually think that these guys, they fight for them. Nigerians stand on the reason. Say these politicians, so when they go form coalition, they do them for the interest of the general public. Meanwhile, they get their own agenda. They get motive behind the actions. Now, them they yarn say they want to register a party, and that's loneliness. Any coalition without ideology is a lonely coalition, because there is no coalition without conviction. There is no coalition without character or integrity. Countrymen need to understand, say the only way out of the things and things wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria, so na the way wey countrymen design by themselves. And if countrymen continue to dey nod yes sir to the coalition wey men dey organize, so at the end of the day, men now come get distracted by all these conversations about the coalition talks, and last dem now go come find themselves in a worse situation than the one wey men dey currently. And this has been the story of this our green country Nigeria since civil rule come board. This my good people na the remarks of Oga Omoyele Sowore. And still for inside the interview, Tori people now come ask am whether make Nigerians still place their hope in the current government and their policy, even as the economy just was key, even as things be so for inside we nation Nigeria, whether make country people still hope say yes, things go better for we nation Nigeria and the country people. But sharply, Oga Omoyele Sowore counter the talk with Tori people dey ask am. Him now come dey yarn say Nigerians dey suffer and we no supposed to dey suffer. Nigerians dey in the situation wey be say normally we no supposed to dey in this kind of situation. He now dey let the general public dey know say he no support am at all. He no go advise countrymen to still dey hope on this government, and he be don sama warning give Nigerians before, and he go do am again. The more men dey hope on the government, na the more men go lose for this government. So the question supposed to be, if countrymen decide to whether they want continue to suffer for inside we nation Nigeria, abi they want to make a better future for themselves. No one supposed to dey suffer for inside Nigeria as of now. Nobody supposed to dey face hunger and starvation because of the things and things we men implement. Now why men can't dey like this so for inside the nation? It's nothing to look forward to. If men continue to dey hope on the policy of this government, nothing good will come outside at all. Instead, the things and things wey men go carry their eyes see even for the next 2 years while this government go still dey active, na the things and things wey men don see already for the past 2 years wey the government dey active. Him na no be prophet of doom. no be like saying they wish our nation bad. But if we continue on this trajectory, if things now they continue to dey go down the same road wey things dey go down, so there's not going to be anything meaningful regarding governance. Men go continue to dey whine person say there is light at the end of the tunnel, meanwhile men still dey for inside the tunnel even after the 2 years. If men now no help theirself, if men now no sit upright and comot body from the distractions of collation, and himself constantly let the general public dey know say Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party has made it very much clear say he no go even join any alliance formed solely for seizing power. If men now dey gather men, if men now dey form coalition sake of say they want power, Mr. Peter Obi don wash him hand comot for that kind gathering. He don wash him hand comot for that kind coalition. And Mr. Peter Obi dey insist say any merger must address Nigeria's deeper governance problem. Any coalition wey men dey create, e must be say that coalition now dey come to tackle the problem of governance. Dey come to tackle the things and things wey men dey see, the shege wey men dey receive for inside we nation Nigeria. If not, e no follow, e no dey among. And no be lie, my good people, Mr. Peter Obi don declare say na under the umbrella of the Labour Party na im go still run for presidency for inside the year 2027. And he still let men know say sake of his age, that go be his second and the final time wey he go run for presidency for inside we nation Nigeria. Now back to Oga Omoyele Sowore for inside the interview. Him na don throw advice say the general public must realize say the only meaningful way forward na the way forward wey men create by themselves. We now need to head in a new direction. We now need to by ourselves create change. If not, nothing will change for inside we nation Nigeria. The same Egyptians wey men dey see today na the same Egyptians wey men fit still see tomorrow. This my good people na the report wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news on your side, now go first receive the updates and you even get them sharp. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go gather more intel for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.